Another 2-week update with Amber and Trey. This bush showed up out front of the flip house. Love it. Then we finally got the courage to go up to the attic and deal with these light lines, and Trey fell through. Remember the trip to Amish country? We used them boards on our deck, and we also found some rusty metal that day, which was perfect for the bathroom. We spent a little extra time adding some decorations around our house, and then it was back to work at the flip house. We bought, carried, cut, and hung so much drywall, it was insane. So I took my pent-up energy and did some demo in the basement. Then we eliminated everything in the bathroom, including the old puke green bathtub. We threw all the trash into a dump truck, and then a semi-truck showed up with our shiplap. But first, we needed to pick the floors, and we couldn't. So we asked you guys, caught our drill on fire, didn't slow us down. We were able to get all the seams taped, so we took a one-day trip to Atlantic City and then picked up some doors on the way home. When we got back, we eliminated the old gas line and the water line, found a steal of a deal on a refrigerator in Pittsburgh, strapped that baby in tight. What do you think?